guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back here again with my two beautiful.
Thank you, I'm beautiful. Debatable.
Ugly brothers.
Debatable.
Wee. There's 3 bowls in front of us. Stop eating! There's 3 bowls in front of us and pretty much my mom hid something inside of them.
They're so good. Here's the M&Ms.
Hid something inside the 3 bowls. What we're gonna have to do is whoever can get their face dirty in the flour.
Dirty?
Yeah.
I don't like dirty. I don't associate with dirty people. I love dirty.
Whoever can get the thing fastest wins. That's it.
So you did not explain, are we supposed to like dig
No,
in?
you can't use your hands.
Dude, stop eating.
Whoever wins this challenge right now is gonna be pretty much daring the other 2.
Man's been practicing.
Whoever wins pretty much, I can't focus. Whoever wins, then they will pick the consequence for the other 2 people.
Action.
I got a question.
Yes.
Is this like family friendly? Like, does it meet the health code regulations?
No.
That's a good question.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Blow into it.
Your mouth.
Why are we doing this, dude? I'm gonna have a freaking COVID.
Flour attack.
3, 2, 1, go.
I need it!
This does not smell good, bro.
It's great! Just give it to me! Oh, you lick it?
Dude, you're spitting on me now.
What is it? I felt it.
I want it all! Got fired! I didn't find the cracker! There's no cracker, Eminem!
No, dude, don't cheat.
There's nothing in here! You just lied!
What is wrong with you?
Smile at the camera.
Come on, Leah. Hey, 3, 2, 1. Hey, come on, guys. Hey, she found it. She found it. What's this?
What is your...
Garlic!
You got garlic?
Congratulations.
No! No!
It's in my nose.
Hey, it was my dad's spray. Fuck off.
Okay, so obviously since I won, we obviously look all like grandpa. He actually looks good with white hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, I look like a grandma. Since I won, that means we're doing another challenge right now. Each person has 10 crackers.
Let go.
It's still a cracker.
Let
I
go.
split it in
Let
half.
go. Give me a new one.
It's called thinking smarter, not harder.
This one is a little bent. See? See? Give me a new one.
Each person has 10 crackers and whoever finishes them the most, he's counting them. Whoever finished them the most pretty much wins. And you eat one by one.
You're an idiot.
Oops.
No. This one is pink.
So is yours.
Put this with it.
It's okay.
Put this with it. There you go. Alright, that's fair.
Okay, no hands. No hands. Count.
Hands behind
3,
your back.
2, 1, go.
This is hard. I can't get it.
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom.
Okay, you can use your hand now.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Just a little bit.
Give it! Give it to her!
You have to swallow. I want. I'm clear.
You have to swallow.
I'm clear though.
No, it's not.
Mom, you have to say this is Sari's plate and this is Moni's plate. Who won?
But I swallowed before him.
No, I had extras in my teeth. I was getting
Shut
out.
up.
Mom, no. Mom is the tiebreaker, Mom.
Done.
No.
It's not a time.
First, they're gonna rock, paper, scissors, and whoever gets to 3 first is the winner.
Can someone else play for me? I suck at rock, paper, scissors. I never win.
Come on.
Rock, paper,
Alright, hold on. Let's go.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Out of here! You can't hang on with the best!
Okay, what?
Yeah, okay. Okay, so what we decided is pretty much you have to dance in the middle of the street and like say hee-haw as loud as you can. You have to wait till a car comes. Go in the middle of the street.
Yeah, make sure you're barefoot too. Yeah.
In the middle.
I like it. You gotta say, yeah.
In the middle.
Yeah, in the middle.
Bro, I can't go in the middle. A car would come and it
Of course you can go in the middle.
would run me over.
That's good.
It's hot too.
Yeah. Oh, those guys.
Only.
Oh.
Dude, she's a hot.
A car's coming.
It's so hot.
Yeah.